This week the girls have been going down and they've been feeding the cows for one of our neighbors. And we really like helping our neighbors when we can, but while we were there, the girls noticed that right after that storm that knocked the tree over on our chicken coop, that storm also affected them. Not very bad, but since they're on vacation, we don't want them to come home to a mess. So I'm gonna grab the saw here. This is a Stihl MS-180C, and this one's actually kind of got this automatic recoil pull on it, and I can show you that, but it's kind of got the old school knobs, I would call them. They're not the quick open. So I want to get this fueled up and ready to go. We'll throw the saw back in the Ranger and we'll head up to the neighbor's house. Okay, we're here. We've got these branches here. These fell. They're going to cut just about everything that we can out of here for little sticks for the fireplace. Even if they're the size of my pinky, I'm not that concerned with it. I've got the 3 girls with me. All right, ladies, you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, we'll get started. Okay, that'll do it. Once we clean up this brush, and then we'll get this party home before dark. Yeah, that's amazing. You're gonna look great. Get the big boys on here. On the table.
What?
Cool. Ooh, Peyton. Good job, Peyton.
It's too high.
You get it. Just picked a really good spot. I think they can walk through here, and that'll be just a really nice treat when they come home from.
I have to do this work.
Okay, everything's cleaned up. We found a leaf rake in the barn, so we grabbed that and raked this into a pile. He might just burn it right there. Maybe he picks it up and moves it, but he's got some stuff stacked and that's good. So, Peyton, nice work. Let's go. All right, got the zombie lights on. I can see them. There we go. All right.